Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you have not already, go and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Today, we're not playing around. Go ahead and install this 5-inch MBRP exhaust system. I currently have a 4-inch, we're going to a 5-inch, and hopefully we're gonna like what we hear. The size difference is absolutely insane. I've got one of the pipes down here already, so I'm really excited to see what the sound difference is with the 64mm turbo. Like I said, stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm gonna be telling you exactly what's going on and what announcement I have coming up for you guys. And also you get the sound clips of that 5-inch, and we'll put that in comparison to a Monday's video of that 4-inch. Let's go ahead and get that 4-inch uninstalled and get the 5-inch installed. All right, so I'm going to start from the back and work my way all the way up front. Just gonna basically start by loosening these though, as I get on my way to the back. And just like that, I'm giving up, going to the cutter wheel. All right, so we'll discuss in a little bit of what I did with the angle grinder, but you're gonna wanna take your fender liner off. You're gonna wanna go ahead and loosen up the down pipe right there, just the clamp, not the actual down pipe. And then that's gonna be one of the pipes that you'll be pulling out. So remember when I said, all right, so I am gonna go ahead and hold on to my 4-inch exhaust when I take it off. Remember when I said, we got some plans for it already. Take it apart real nice. Yeah, that didn't happen. Went to the angle grinder. Angle grinder, ran out of discs. Went to the Sawzall. Winning ticket. This is what we got. Kept the back intact pretty much. Cut the hanger off. Cut the clamp off. What the annihilated the exhaust to be able to pull it out. Thank you, Wisconsin, and all of your glorious rust. Now I'm kind of regretting not getting the stainless one, but I want to test out how quickly these things rust away. For the clamps, definitely going to be putting some anti-seize on the clamp nuts. 100% happening. This exhaust has definitely seen better days. It's obviously been on there for a very long time. Take a look at the down pipe. I don't know who installed this or what the heck happened to it, but that is just annihilated. I have no clue what happened at all. Just annihilated. So we're gonna go ahead and start at the front and work our way back. It's gonna go much easier because all we have to do is install it, not take out or deal with any rust. My rubber brackets or the little hangers for the clamps and the hangers are really looking bad, so I might be replacing those in the future. Let's go ahead, like I said, get this installed so we go ahead and see what it sounds like. Tailpipe comes around, you have to put this together. It's a little piece that goes over the rear axle and then back through. That'll be your mid pipe. That'll be where the muffler delete is. That's this guy right here, and then from here comes this bad boy. But first, before we go anywhere, like I said, we're gonna start at the front with, from your 3-inch down pipe, there's a piece you add, the adapter to go to 5 inches. So in the instructions here, for extended cabs, right here, you're going to have to do some trimming on this pipe, the 4 to 5 inch pipe. You're gonna use this hanger right here. Just so you guys know, I'm fighting the rain here pretty hard for you guys and myself here to get this done. It's really turned in kind of a gloomy weekend and humid. Man, it's humid out. I must have brought that back up with me from Alabama. Anyway, I've got the pipe coming from the down pipe done, and I've got the adapter pipe from the 4-inch to the 5-inch done right now. So now, we got that specific hanger right there. Is this pipe right here. The pipe going to the mid pipe, the one underneath the last piece right there. This is for the clamp for going through the 4-inch to the 5-inch. Go ahead and get this one now put in place, and then we'll get the mid pipe in and keep going. Quickly there, I installed the tailpipe that comes out the back, hung it over the axle. I'm just gonna leave it hang there because now at this point, take you underneath, Now at this point, we've got the one coming over the axle. We've got this pipe here, all the way from the down pipe over here. So now we just have to connect the mid pipe, and that is the mid pipe. Now this right here is your 18-inch extension. That's for you guys with long boxes. So crew cab and extended cab long boxes must use the 18-inch extension. That's this bad boy right here. So it's, oh, look at those hands. So it's really just that simple. The biggest pain is going to be taking out the old one. Let's go ahead and finish up this mid pipe, see about getting you guys these exhaust clips. Look at these hands. All right, so obviously you guys can tell there's a huge difference. I'm extremely happy with it. I'm way happier with it than I thought I was. I've got to turn my tip up here a little bit. It's kind of angled down. Once I finish that up, it's perfect. So I would highly suggest going to a 5-inch. I loved my 4-inch without a doubt, but the 5-inch obviously makes it way louder, way more true sounding than you could imagine. It's 100% definitely worth it. Now, we're gonna have another comparison coming up, and in regards to it sounds. Things have happened, and you guys will find out next week when you stay tuned. So make sure you guys stay tuned for next week and follow me on Instagram, because you're gonna see right before we post the video, you're gonna see a little change to the channel. But Lincoln Diesel Specialties is going to be putting in a 68mm turbo. I'm changing from a 64 to a 68. So we're gonna go ahead and do a sound comparison for the 5-inch exhaust compared to what a 64 sounds like, and a 68mm turbo, straight from Lincoln Diesel Specialties. Make sure you go ahead and check them out. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Follow me on Instagram, check out Lincoln Diesel Specialties, get yourself some 5-inch exhaust or 4-inch, whichever one you prefer. Don't have that stock exhaust. You're gonna be happy with it. So have yourselves a great weekend, and we'll see you guys soon.